So an alternate proof of the cosine law can be set up by using these right triangles again. And I'm going to set it up this way. So this length here is going to be the A length times cosine of 50 degrees. So this length here becomes B minus A cosine of 50 degrees. This length up here is going to be A sine 50 degrees. Okay, and then using this right triangle here, we're going to generate the cosine law. So we're going to use Pythagoras here. So we end up with c squared is equal to a squared sine squared of 50 degrees plus b minus a cosine of 50 degrees all squared. Expanding this out, we end up with a squared sine squared of 50 degrees plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of 50 degrees. You can see how the cosine law is starting to form, plus a squared cosine squared 50 degrees. Okay, so this next part here, I'm going to group the a squared sine 50 with a squared cos 50 and factor out the a squared. And I'm going to use this identity. Sine squared of 50 plus cos squared of 50 is equal to 1. So it looks like this. A squared times sine squared 50 plus cos squared 50 degrees plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of 50 degrees. Okay, so then this expression here is what we call an identity. And we use that identity. That's just equal to 1. And since that's equal to 1, we get c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of 50 degrees. So that angle is opposite to c, so that is how we generate our cosine law. Now we could generalize, I put in 50 degrees, but we could generalize with angle c as well and get the same result.